Hello there and welcome to this video. I know you're getting excited to access the SAP Build apps, and to do that the first step is to create an SAP BTP account. Now you have to decide whether you want an SAP BTP trial account, which gives you access to the SAP Build apps and 30 more trial services for free, but it comes with a time limit and various other limitations. Or you could create a free tier of the SAP BTP account. This also will give you access to SAP Build apps and 30 other free services, and it has various advantages. So let's take a look at the differences. Now the trial account lets you try the BTP for 90 days. It allows for restricted use of the platform resources and services. Its access is open to everyone, and it is intended for personal exploration. So this is going to be non-productive and testing and evaluation, right? Whereas a free tier service, it open to customers, partners, individual developers, and so on, and it is free without time limit. So that's the first main difference. The free tier account does not have a time limit. So this account enables you to test the services, build different scenarios, and also gives you an option to upgrade to the paid service plans. So this is a great advantage because let's say that you have a solid plan for the SAP Build apps. So you can use the free tier, you can build the prototypes, you can get the buy-in from your management, from your team and various other participants. And when you're ready, you can actually upgrade to a service plan. So you get to save all your work and you can seamlessly move to production. And there are various other features as well, so give it a reading. This documentation is available in the help.sap.com, and this is under the BTP account types. I'm going to provide you this URL for further use. Now to access this URL for try and buy for the SAP BTP, just do a quick Google search and it will give you a location specific URL. Now let me bring you to this landing page and I can show you some more details. So this is the landing page. This is how it looks like in the first quarter of 2024. You also have a video which talks about the different flavors which we just discussed, and the URL remains the same. So there's no change in the URL. Now as you come down, it also has a nice UI or a nice... Now if you're confused about whether should I take a free trial account or a trial account, you can take this quiz or you can take this assessment and it's gonna tell you what you should be doing. For example, let's say your role is a independent developer or a student. Let's go with the independent developer now and then say next, and then it's going to ask what do you want to do. So do you want to familiarize with the BTP? You need to validate a proof of concept, or do you want to work on a long-term project? So for example, let's say I want to familiarize myself with BTP, which will be the case in our scenario. So I'm going to say next, and there you go. It says BTP trial should be your choice, right? Now let's start this again. Now let's say that I'm working for a SAP partner company and then I want to use this to build a long-term project. Then as you can see, the option is pay as you go. You can also take this nice quiz and see which option is best for you. Now as you come down further, you will see the BTP pricing options. This is very interesting. So as you can see, this is the pay as you go and this is the cloud platform enterprise agreement option. So you can see the block price for both options, so $0, and this is north of $10,000, and these are the different features. I'm not going to go into the details, you can read this. And another interesting piece is as you further come down, you can also estimate your cost. Now, estimation of the cost is very important if you're considering this as a part of your solution and you are in the evaluation stage. So you can choose a currency. For now, let's take USD. So it takes you to the Discovery Center, and this is the estimator, and this is the URL. Of course, you can directly come to this URL. This is not just for the SAP Build service, this is also for all other services which you want to use. I can simply go ahead and add service. So there you go. You can check the service right about here. You can also search, obviously. So there you go, SAP Build apps. And you say okay. And there you go. So this is the standard option, and this is the data center, the region you are in. Okay, so let's go to US, and this is the capacity, this is the number of users, this is the number of tenants. I'm not going to go into the details in this specific video, but this is just to give you a quick idea as to what your spend would be and how to understand that. And keep in mind that you might have to use other services along with this service to be able to use this in a way which will satisfy your requirements. So definitely reach out to the SAP if you have a contact, or reach out to the customer care and they'll help you out. For the folks who are already working on SAP or have already accessed the SAP accounts and BTP accounts and the HANA accounts, this will be pretty straightforward. But for the benefit of the new users, in the next video, I'm going to take you step by step as to how to create a free trial account. I'll see you there.